Today we're going to be reacting to this video, and they named it "We Bought the Worst Car in America." I believe that's what it's titled. Oh, let's go back. Yeah, the worst car in America. And this YouTube channel is Cleetus McFarland. Is the YouTube channel, so y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. He has 4.7 million subscribers. I haven't watched this video. I've been seeing a lot of posts like on Facebook, a lot of other YouTubers. I think OC Motivator, he did a video reacting to this video right here. So I said, let me see what it's all about. So we're gonna watch a little bit of this. I'm not gonna watch a whole lot of it. We're gonna see what they talking about, guys.
Freaking subwoofer under there.
212s?
Where is that coming from?
Oh, there's literally a speaker right here. You see that?
So that's the EV they looking at.
Oh, yeah.
The electric charger.
All right. Oh, nice touch.
Okay, I will say the back seat's not bad. And I'm a giraffe. The back seat's not bad at all. Oh, there's a launch button, George.
Really? It'll blow the tires off. I don't know about the tires off, but it's not the headset.
Nice. It has 3,000 miles.
3,000. Okay, let me take that picture again. Minus 300.
You said like 140.
That's what I thought too.
That's all right.
Make it 60% off. This is a used car.
That's all right. Hey,
Whatever it is, it is.
Come on.
I mean, it's new at the dealer. That means it's never been assigned a license plate.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So this is a demonstrator. That means
That means someone's been using it. Yeah.
That means someone's been
Oh, we're
using
good?
You're gonna drive.
Let's go. All right, so we're still in drag mode. Nice.
So what do you guys do for a living?
Make videos.
Oh, cool.
Oh, they don't even know they
Cool,
YouTube.
right?
Feels good.
Whoa! Easy, hey, I don't see nobody here, but
You're like,
Yeah, yeah.
back.
I'm telling you, this will hurt us. Which field is this? Careful.
Whoa.
I heard a little.
Stay in the right lane, bus.
Oh,
We don't want to crash.
wow, the brakes work really good.
It's loud. Like the exhaust is.
Back here. It's like we got cut exhaust.
It's like yeah.
And let me tell y'all, I've actually driven the electric Dodge Charger, and it's actually a nice car. It really is. And if you go back through my old videos, I was dogging that car. Before I actually drove one, I was totally against the car. Now, I'm not saying that I would buy one, but it's actually a nice car. And I would not buy one over a Hemi. I mean, that's not get crazy. But a lot of people are down in the car because, first of all, they're saying they shouldn't have named it the Charger. I totally agree, and I think the way Dodge rolled this car out was totally wrong. They should have named it something else. People clown the heck out this car, and I'm not surprised. I mean, true Mopar heads do not want this electric car. I think it would probably be accepted a little differently if it wasn't named a Charger, and then they had the nerve to name it a Scat Pack. And I think that's what's really killing it is the fact that how they named the car and how they rolled it out. A lot of the stuff that Dodge was doing was forced upon them, especially by the old CEO, Tavares was his name. That was his name, Tavares. Um, he changed everything to EV, and that just killed the brand. And now they're trying to fight back. So a lot of people are making videos just to get views, clowning the car and saying all this crazy stuff. But if you actually drive one, it's actually pretty nice. I think it's stupid that they put that speaker crap on there. I think that was dumb. If it's going to be an EV, just let it be an EV. You know what I'm saying? All the whole fake exhaust thing was just stupid.
Right? I'm gonna let you enjoy it, and then I'll give it to you. Even though when we get done, we get to the next corner, it's a school. You don't want to go too crazy.
Oh, so now's my chance.
Right? You might do a little bit here. Careful.
Yeah, see, that just sounds crazy, bro. I'm telling you, it's a fast car, though.
That's full juice right there.
It's fast.
Jesus.
We're gonna make this right.
Is it torque steering?
Yeah. Make this right.
Hold on. Is that full power?
No, I don't think he got enough.
Are we on
sport
full
mode.
juice?
You'll see it here. It'll go.
there, 500 kilowatts. God!
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
it's instant power.
Is it torque steering?
Dude, I think it is. Maybe it's me. Oh, maybe I was anticipating.
Yeah, don't do it. It's just gonna drive you.
I mean, I feel like I was expecting it to be a little faster for the Scat.
They just badge you.
I can see how people would say they oversell it a little bit.
But you know, I hear what he's saying, but I mean, let's be realistic. How many people gonna actually drive super fast in that car? That's what always killed me. Oh, it's faster, it's slower. Like, bro, 95% of the people that buy this car are not gonna be driving it super fast on the highway. You know what I'm saying? People just be saying anything or just say what they heard. And another thing is a lot of people living in the past, a lot of old heads that's stuck on the Hemi, and I'm one of them. I'm a Hemi guy, I ain't gonna lie to you, but I understand what's going on. See, their target audience right now is not us old heads. You know what I'm saying? It's not us, bro. They targeting the younger crowd. They the ones that's okay with EVs.
We're gonna make a right at the light.
Track package.
Well, we don't know if George has it. Oh, it's a
Oh, wait a
25.
minute. Like a sports car.
Like on rails.
I mean, the speaker behind, I feel like I'm on a ride. Like,
I'm like, man, even at 50% off, I don't know
We'll make a right.
if we're making the right decision here.
It's all about what you buying it for.
It's my only option. So.
Make a right.
What's your reason for buying it? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, he's bad at backing up, sir.
A lot of people just buying it for content. That's it. I would buy it for just content.
Whoa! Touchy.
Oh, he's doing that thing where he bites his lip again.
It is.
On the numbers, divide that in half.
78, 9.
We'll do right here.
Okay.
I think this car is totally overpriced. That's why they got to sell it for
You gotta get
50%
it
off.
39,
Nobody's buying them.
I don't know.
For 39.45, you can get pretty bad bone Tesla.
39,485.
9-speaker audio system. Wait, he just locked it in just like that?
No.
No, this.
Oh,
No, send me another run. Give me another run.
Same
So
one.
will they do it for that much?
I'm gonna find out from that dude that said hello.
Okay,
He's the dude.
39.
Say it. You love it.
I thought
Mhm.
I thought at 50% off it was like, all right, now
Have to buy it.
now it's like awesome.
At 50% off,
But I
I'm like,
still
this
think-
is a ripoff.
But if that window sticker said 40 and then we went on that test drive,
I'd be like, no
I'd be
way.
like, no way I'm paying 40 for this.
Yeah. But here's the thing. Are we fully committed? Oh, another thing, by the way, it says maximum range 241. Obviously, those numbers are fluffed.
Max range is
Can't drive home and
240?
back. Yeah.
What?
And that's another thing, the range. 240 is terrible for a car that big. You're not even going to get 240. So that means that you're going to be charging that thing every 5 minutes. So if you don't have a charger at home, this is definitely not the car to buy. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of things that Stellantis messed up on with this car because they were trying to rush it out and get something out on the market. And they just screwed themselves, man. That's why you got a lot of people making these videos clowning this car. And that's all this is about. This is content, man. They already knew by going in there trying to buy this car and buy them, buy the Stellantis has cut the prices on it. They can go in there and joke and clown. And look how many views this video has got. Like over almost 1 million views. And this car, like I've seen maybe 2 on the road since this car's been out since what 2025, 2024 when these cars came out. So that's crazy. So there's a lot of people upset about this video in particular because how they clowning the car, especially people who actually own one. But the thing about it, you can't force people to like it. I mean, it is what it is. If you bought one or if you've driven one and you like it, that's fine. But you can't be mad because other people don't like it.
Try to worry about
I thought it was like 300 something.
Nah,
Are you sure about that? Where does it say
It
max
says
range?
right there.
Nah, it's
maximum
not
range.
300. I can tell you that
241.
now.
And that's at
Where?
78 miles per gallon or something. How fast are you?
Okay, here's the update, folks. Orange car.
That's the RT.
Total MSRP 62,385. Non-scat pack.
But I said about 31.
And both of these cars were like the dealer demos. So the red one has 3,000 miles. The orange one has, I think it was 500 is what it said online. But we're going to confirm that momentarily. And then the red one, 78,970.
That's crazy. That's too
So
much.
like 39,000 would be half off on the scat. And then 31,000 would be half off on the orange unit. 80 horsepower difference. And the orange one's way cooler.
Well,
Definitely.
we don't really know it's 80. It does. This thing says plus 80, but
I mean, wouldn't the Dodge Maroni that comes in the car that says Scat Pack Stage 2 plus 80 be the thing that's correct?
how
You think if anyone would be against false advertising, it'd be the manufacturer. So I think
there's no way it's a different motor for 80 horsepower.
it's not.
Yeah.
There's no way. It's the same battery and everything.
Or you just bought
Software, man.
You know?
Charger Daytona.
Dude, I don't
Scat
know.
Pack, track
I
pack.
honestly
It's got
just,
7 names.
I literally saw, okay, they're giving 50% off on
Told
that
you,
thing.
that's
I thought
all
we'd
it
come
is.
Here and be like, half off.
Yeah.
It's a lot of car for that.
Yep.
I thought.
Maybe if it did something cool.
I mean, for 31 grand, I
Don't
don't.
you guys feel like there's no way we had it in like full sport?
I
No, it had the
bar.
horsepower gauge was going to the max. You had it in drag mode.
Just felt so slow.
See, they clowning the heck out this car, bro.
6,000 pounds.
Yes, back over here and talk to you.
53.
Exactly. You know,
Yeah,
like
no, we're out.
so give me a second. Let me.
All right, guys,
53.
here's the status update. They came back at 58,000. Then they came back at 53. We said it literally has to be 50% off
Right.
of $78,970, or we can't do it. And they went back again. So we're gonna see.
Honestly, kind of happy.
They need to just sell it.
We're thinking now. We don't know if we want it at 50% off, but we did commit to the fact that if they gave us 50% off, we were gonna do it. So we'll just see.
My call's gonna say, "Hey, we do."
I was hoping this wasn't going to
We're
happen.
doing 50% off on the vehicle. Well, hold on. Let me check
What's
this out.
those fees looking like?
39,485.
There
They
it
got
is.
there.
Oh my god.
There it is.
That's crazy,
50%.
So are we doing it? I
I
mean,
mean, that was the deal.
50% off that car, bro.
50% off. Thank you.
Kids can't eat.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy. They were able to get 50% off that car. Unbelievable, man. Unfreaking believable. Man, they wanted the sticker was what, 78,000? It's crazy. Well, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover as far as that, guys. And my final words is you would need to actually go and drive that car if you like Mopars. It's actually not that bad. The only thing is, it's just you have to make sure it works for your situation. Like I say, the range is horrible. If you're the type of person that drives far and has a long commute, definitely don't buy that car. I drove one. There's a lot of room in it for a tall person, big guy. It drives really smooth. The interior is nice. But again, a lot of people just stuck on the fact that it doesn't have a Hemi. Because even the six packs, those cars are they are nice cars, but it sound like crap. And that's what most people don't like. But the younger generation, they okay with that because they drive the BMWs and the Infinities and all those type of cars. So they don't really care about how it sound. They figure they just change the exhaust. But all the old heads, they still talking about CUDAs and they still living in the 70s. Bro, this 2026. Like that stuff dead. These young folks don't care nothing about that. When you read the comments and some of these other YouTubers' video, that's all you keep hearing, the CUDA. You say the CUDA, everybody comes out with a comment. It's like, dude, you gotta get over it, bro. You're like 70 years old. Nobody's bringing the CUDA back, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can sit here and use AI and come up with all these different thumbnails and stuff talking about CUDA to get clicks. but I don't think they're coming out with that car. The renderings you're seeing online is just somebody playing around with AI, bro. And y'all fall for it every time. And then be disappointed in the YouTuber because it's not coming true. Like, come on. Some people gonna have to get with the times, man. Dodge is moving on. I think because of the bad reputation the older generation cars got, they trying to get away from that. And I think the only Hemi is gonna be the Hellcat. That's it. And the Durangos and the Ram trucks. That's where you're gonna get the Hemi. But far as the Chargers, um, if Chrysler ever comes back out with the 300, I believe that's going to be an inline six. And this is just my speculation. I have no idea. I have no inside info, but but I could sit here all day and speculate and come out with 3 or 4 videos a day, speculating and making up stuff about what Dodge is going to do. But I choose not to do that. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just a waste of time. But I say everybody just need to wait. Roadkill Nights is right around the corner. It might surprise everybody. It might shock the world. So, but anyway, I just wanted to kind of show that video a little bit, and as you can see, a lot of people just buying this car for content. That's it for YouTube. It's a really good car for YouTube. I've actually thought about leasing one myself just to make content for my new channel. I got a new channel, guys, called Full Tank. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Just going around test driving different cars, buying different cars, and it's just gonna be for content for the most part. Modifying cars, car meets, different stuff like that. Stellantis, the company, is moving forward. They're thinking about the future, not us old heads. We're gonna have to just get over it. If you want a Hemi and a Charger, go buy an older one. You know what I'm saying? Go buy an older one, old Hellcat. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. That's it. I'm just rambling, but I just want to put this video out there. I mean, you can't be mad at people for not liking the EV, and you can't be mad at people for liking the EV. Everybody has their own personal preference and choices and opinions about everything. So hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next. Peace.